Hello and welcome. In this video we will quickly customize our template. So what we are going to do is, firstly we should display the name of the authenticated user here, as well as we will just customize the navigation a little bit. So let's start. If I come and open the master template here, we know that at the top we have Alexander here, but we don't want to display the Alexander, so we want the authenticated user. What we can do is go to app.php. Here we have already something. Let me show you. They say that if you are an authenticated user, they will just display your name. Where was that? It was here, auth username. So what you can do is you can use this one. It means you can just display authenticated username anywhere in your template. Later we will show you how you can use view composer to send a specific data to all views. For now I will just paste it and save it. Let's refresh our page and see if they can show our name instead of the Alexander Prince here. And next up we will just customize the navigation. So what I'm going to do is just go down. We have a starter and they say that this is active when you see the menu is also open. So I'll remove the open one as well as, so the first one is active and it should be active. I will save this. This is open and there is admin. Okay, this is good that we can see our name is admin. We just create the user and now we have to customize the navigation. So we close that one and we have a simple link here. What I'm going to do, this is an li tag, so I will just grab it from here and I will paste it at the top right there. What I'm going to do is just indent a little, and instead of the simple link I will change it to dashboard, so that we can see the dashboard here. And the icon for dashboard is going to be this icon. So we will add some features we might need for our application for now, but later we can extend it and we can add more feature. And the next thing for the navigation is, let's say we have here the profile. So beside this one, what we need is the profile. So I will indent a little, and instead of this one, let's say we have a profile, and instead of fa something like this, we will write user. So let's see how it looks now. Refresh the page, dashboard, yeah, profile, and then you have your menu here that you can toggle. Instead of the menu, we will just write management. So for the management, we can manage user, manage post, and do all other stuff. The thing is, like, the profile should be at the end. So I'll cut this one and paste it here. So this is the profile. Plus, beside the profile, we need one more, I think. Yeah, it should log out us. For now, we don't have any logout. So for the logout, let me see which icon we can use for the logout. If we say off, which icon will come? Yeah, power off. So we'll use the power off icon for this one. FA not, it should be power off. FA, I hope it give us the power off icon. Refresh it. Yeah, this is the logout. If you click on this one, it should log out. For now it is not going to work, of course. Next up we should instead of this starter page, you can write management. We will manage the user and all other stuff. Instead of this one, we will just update them in future, because we are going to use view router. That's why we will update them in future. So this is how it looks for now. Instead of this management, we will write another icon. Okay, we will write gears, where we can manage or change setting. It should give us a setting icon, but it is not showing anything. So let me see, what is the gear? It is FA gear or gears. Let me see again. Nope, it's still not showing. So if we say setting here, there is some management stuff. Which icon should we use? It does not matter really, but if we say manage, nope, we don't have. So what we can do is we can use something for now. Okay, I found this cog is gonna be the one we are going to use. Instead of this one, we will use cog. Let's see if it works. Yeah, this is what we want. So for now it looks just fine. We will remove all of these cards here. If I come down a little bit, there is the starter template, which is this one, the breadcrumb, and we don't need that as well because this is almost extra. So I will just remove this one, and I hope it works just fine for now. Next up, we will remove this stuff because when you are going to use view router, it will dynamically take data from the view components and display them here. That's why we do need most of this stuff. So I will refresh the page and everything should work just fine. Yeah, the footer is also going down. So this is how we clean up everything, and I will just push the changes to the GitHub. This is how we step by step we will do. In the next video we will add some more features. So I hope it has been informative for you. Thank you for watching.